How to log out of Shopify mobile app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log out of the Shopify mobile app. For this, open up the Shopify app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Now, Shopify is the e-commerce platform for online stores and retail point of sale systems. If for some reason you want to log out of your current Shopify account, then follow these simple steps. On the home page, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now you're going to find the information about your account. You have different options here such as manage account, switch account, log out or delete account. If you only want to switch your account, tap on switch account option and you can tap on add account and then log into your another account. In this way, you will be able to use two accounts on the same Shopify app. However, if you want to simply log out, go ahead and tap on the log out button. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. It says that you will be removed from all Shopify apps on this device. Tap on the log out option. As soon as you do that, you will be successfully logged out of your account, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.